Is your Chevy Colorado warning you about emissions? Here's what you need to know. Simple and clear. The Evaporative Emission System, or EVAP, is like a security guard for your Chevy Colorado's fuel. Its main job, to keep fuel vapors from sneaking out into the air. When the EVAP system isn't working, it usually means there's a leak or a broken part. The most common culprit? A loose or cracked gas cap. If that's not it, it could be a faulty valve or even a tiny hole in the hoses. Here's what happens. Your truck runs a self-check. If it finds a problem, it turns on the check engine light to warn you. So, what can you do? Start with the gas cap. Make sure it's tight and not cracked. If the light stays on, a mechanic can test the system for leaks or bad parts. Don't ignore that warning. A small fix now can save you money and keep your truck running clean. And remember, your Chevy Colorado's emission system isn't just about your truck. It helps keep the air we breathe a little bit cleaner too. So next time that light comes on, you'll know exactly what to check first.